Hello friends, what if I told you that the universe you're living in right now might not be the first draft? That somewhere in the cosmic filing cabinet, there could be deleted scenes, alternate versions, and maybe even a director's cut of reality itself? Today we're diving into one of the most mind-bending questions in cosmology. Did the universe almost get a sequel? Before we explore whether reality got a cosmic reboot, let's talk about what we actually know happened. 13.8 billion years ago, everything we can observe was compressed into a point smaller than an atom. Then boom, the Big Bang kicked off the greatest expansion in history. But here's where it gets weird. What if that wasn't the beginning? What if it was just the latest season premiere? The idea that our universe might not be the original isn't just science fiction anymore. It's called the cyclic universe theory, and it suggests that what we call the Big Bang might actually be the Big Bounce. Imagine the universe like a cosmic accordion, expanding and contracting in an endless rhythm. Each cycle could last trillions of years, making our current universe just one episode in an infinite series. But wait, there's more. Some physicists propose that we might be living in a multiverse where countless universes exist simultaneously. Think of it like Netflix. There are infinite shows running at the same time, each with their own plot, characters, and laws of physics. Our universe might just be one channel in an endless cosmic streaming service. Now you might be wondering, what would make the universe need a reboot in the first place? Well, imagine if the cosmic writers realized they'd written themselves into a corner. Maybe the first universe ran out of steam, literally. In our current universe, we're headed toward something called heat death, where entropy maxes out and everything becomes a cold, empty void. That's not exactly a satisfying series finale, is it? Enter the Big Rip scenario. This is like the universe's equivalent of jumping the shark, but in reverse. Instead of everything coming together, dark energy could accelerate expansion so dramatically that it tears apart galaxies, stars, planets, and eventually even atoms themselves. It's the cosmic equivalent of a show ending with everyone dying. Not great for ratings, but it might necessitate a complete reboot. But here's where the plot thickens. Some cosmologists think the universe might have built-in renewal mechanisms. Roger Penrose proposed something called conformal cyclic cosmology. It sounds complicated, but think of it like this. Imagine the universe as a phoenix that burns itself out completely, then rises from its own ashes with a fresh start. Same cosmic framework, brand new content. The evidence for cosmic reboots is surprisingly compelling. When we look at the cosmic microwave background radiation, basically the universe's baby photos, we see patterns that are almost too perfect. It's like finding out that a supposedly improvised movie scene was actually carefully scripted. Some scientists argue these patterns could be echoes from a previous cosmic iteration, like finding deleted scenes on a DVD. There's also the horizon problem. Different parts of the universe that should never have been able to communicate with each other somehow have identical temperatures. It's like discovering that two actors who never met somehow delivered identical performances. The solution might be that they were actually working from the same script, a previous universe's blueprint. Quantum mechanics adds another layer to this cosmic mystery. At the subatomic level, particles pop in and out of existence constantly. What we think of as empty space is actually buzzing with activity. Some theorists suggest that entire universes could emerge from quantum fluctuations, like cosmic bubbles forming in a quantum foam bath. Our universe might be just one bubble among countless others. But here's the really wild part. If the multiverse theory is correct, there could be universes where the laws of physics are completely different. Imagine a universe where gravity works in reverse, or where time flows backwards, or where the speed of light is the speed limit for snails. Each universe would be like a different genre, some cosmic comedies, other space operas, and maybe a few horror shows we're better off not visiting. The implications are staggering. If our universe is just one of many, then everything we think is unique about our cosmic story might actually be part of a larger narrative. The formation of galaxies, the evolution of life, even the emergence of consciousness, all of it could be recurring themes across multiple universal iterations. Some physicists even suggest we might find evidence of previous universes. They call them collision signatures, basically cosmic scars left over from when our universe bumped into others during its early expansion. It would be like finding Easter eggs hidden in the cosmic code, references to previous installments that only careful observers would notice. Of course, not everyone buys into the cosmic reboot theory. Critics argue that it's unfalsifiable. We can't really test whether other universes exist if they're completely separate from ours. It's like trying to prove there are other TV shows when you can only watch one channel. But that hasn't stopped physicists from developing increasingly sophisticated models of how cosmic sequels might work. The search for cosmic reboots continues through cutting-edge experiments and observations. Projects like the Large Hadron Collider probe the fundamental nature of reality, while space telescopes scan for anomalies that might hint at other universes. We're essentially cosmic archaeologists, digging through the debris of space-time looking for evidence of what came before. So did the universe almost get a sequel? The jury's still out, but the evidence is mounting that our cosmic story might be more like an anthology series than a single standalone film. Whether we're living in universe, the reboot, or universe, season infinity, one thing's for certain: reality is far stranger and more wonderful than any fiction we could imagine. What do you think? Are we living in the universe's first draft, or are we part of an endless cosmic franchise? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of our mysterious universe.